Every window starts right here. Before a Viwinco window can impress the weather, it must withstand extreme heat, intense pressure, and precision-controlled assembly. As demand for the Viwinco products continued to grow, glass production became a limiting factor. In 2019, Viwinco broke ground on a more than $30 million glass manufacturing facility next to its headquarters in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Our glass shop was built specifically to eliminate that bottleneck and take full control of glass production. I'm David Barnes, Chairman of the Board at Viwinco, and I'd like to take you inside our glass shop to show you how we manufacture our insulated glass units. We receive large sheets of glass from our supplier, which are staged in our glass shop until they're ready to be processed. Viwinco operates 4 automated cutting tables capable of handling multiple glass types, including low-E and specialty glass. Our system automatically batches orders to optimize glass usage and reduce material waste, consistently achieving yields of above 90%. An automated trolley retrieves the required glass type from storage, delivering it directly to the cutting table. At any given time, multiple sheets are staged, scored, and separated simultaneously. Once scored, the operator separates the glass from the sheet into panes called glass lights. Tempered glass is used when additional strength and safety are required, whether by building code or by product design. For certain applications, including our Ocean View impact-resistant products, tempering ensures that the glass can withstand higher stress and break safely if it's damaged. After being separated from the glass sheet, the glass lights that need to be tempered are run through a washer and seamer. First, they are laser etched with Viwinco's certification markings. Then each side of the glass is grinded down and seamed to strengthen the edges. After seaming, the glass is washed to remove any debris or contaminants before tempering. Once clean, the glass lights enter the tempering oven. Inside the oven, the glass is heated to extremely high temperatures, then rapidly cooled using high-pressure air. The result is glass built for strength, safety, and long-term performance. Sample pieces of glass are periodically tested with our cullet scanner to verify break patterns and tempering performance before moving forward. Laminated glass is used when enhanced impact resistance and protection are required. By bonding 2 pieces of glass together with a durable inner layer, laminated units help hold the glass in place even if it cracks. For our laminated glass, glass lights are placed on a different washer and seamer that outputs the glass into a temperature-controlled and humidity-controlled clean room. The PVB inner layer is cut to size, cleaned, and placed between the 2 glass lights. After rolling the PVB with a lint roller to remove any dust or debris, the operator places the second glass light on top. The assembled laminated glass lights pass through the Lamy inline flat lamination, or the Lamy IFL. The Lamy IFL uses a 3-stage inline press system that bonds the PVB to the glass and cools the unit. Once the lamination process is complete, the operator trims any excess PVB and loads the finished laminated glass onto a rack for the next stage of production. Our glass shop operates 4 automated insulated glass unit assembly lines, where individual glass lights are cleaned, inspected, spacer applied, and then filled with argon gas to form a complete IGU. With 4 lines in operation, we're able to maintain precision at a large scale. The operator loads 2 glass lights into the machine where they run on parallel tracks. Both lights pass through a glass washer, then a scanner that checks the glass lights for imperfections that the human eye can't see. If the scanner spots an imperfection and the glass doesn't meet our standards, it'll be removed and remade. Spacers applied around the perimeter, separating the glass lights to create an insulated cavity. If a window needs grids added, the insulated glass unit stops at the grid table. Grids and simulated divided lights are decorative pieces that create the appearance of multiple panes within a single IGU. They allow homeowners to achieve a traditional look without sacrificing energy efficiency. At the grid table, a laser projects exact placement before the grids are clipped securely into position. The unit then enters an argon-filled gas chamber, where the space between the lights is sealed and filled with argon gas. Because argon gas slows the transfer of heat more effectively than air, it is used to improve thermal performance and support year-round energy efficiency. After the spacer is heated on all sides, the IGU is pressed to its final thickness and the fourth corner is sealed before being labeled, scanned, and delivered to Viwinco's main building for window assembly. From raw glass to finished insulated glass units, every step inside our glass shop is built to support the performance our customers rely on. Built in-house, built with control, and built to impress the weather.